Hi, my name is David Green with ExpertVillage.com. As we were talking before about subfloor extractions, the different situations you might run into, one actually can be where they already have excessive liquid and where you initially just need to extract that out. It could be a flood. They have larger ones of these that are used for floods. Just for an example, let's go ahead and show them how the tool works. Go ahead and just flood a spot. We'll get it completely soaked as if this could be a situation where it's flooded across the whole room of the carpet. There could even be standing water. And we could come in and remove 98% of this water. You can even get it all, make sure it's sopping down on the pad.